I'm high above the city. I'm standing on the ledge. The view from here is pretty, and I step off the edge. And now I'm falling, baby, through the sky. Through the sky I'm falling, baby, through the sky. It's my calling. Baby, don't you cry, 'cause I'm falling down through the sky towards the street that I'm from. Oh, Broadway, here I come. Broadway, here I come. The pressure, it increases the closer that I get. I could almost go to pieces, but I'm not quite there yet. See, I've been braving crazy weather, drowning all my cries. I pull myself together, I'm focused on the prize. I'm falling, baby, through the sky. Through the sky I'm falling, baby, through the sky. It's my calling. Baby, don't you cry, 'cause I'm falling down through the sky. And it's a tune you can hum. Oh, Broadway, here I come. Will I remain the same, or will I change a little bit? Will I feel broken or totally complete? Will I retain my name when I'm the biggest you just hit? Or will I blend in with the rest of the street? The people are all pointing. I bet they never guess that the saint that they're anointing is frightened of the mess. But even though I fear it, I'm playing all my cards. Baby, you aren't gonna hear it when I give them my regards. I'm falling, baby, through the sky. Through the sky I'm falling, baby, through the sky. It's my calling. Baby, don't you cry, 'cause I'm falling down through the sky. And I refuse to go numb. Oh, Broadway, here I come. Broadway, here I come. Broadway, here I come. Broadway, Broadway, here I come. Here I come. The last thing I hear as the impact grows near, is it a scream or a cheer? Well, never mind, I'll never find out, 'cause Broadway, I am here.